Hey friends, it's Beth from Rekindled Blessings. Let's make this super cute tray. We're going to put some bonding boss on here to begin with and dry it really good. Add a second coat, and I'm just making sure it's covered completely. We're going to dry it all over. And then I added this color called Cashmere, and it ended up not being the right color, but I kept checking and it ended up not being the right color. So I got out this color Taupe and I put it all over it, and it ended up being the right color. So then I'm going to take all the little white strips off of this rice paper. This is a Reba Rose rice paper, and you guys, she has the most beautiful papers. Look at this gorgeous print with the roses and the flag. It's just so pretty, and this is good for this time of year or any time if you like red, white, and blue or patriotic. I took some candy apple red and some, I'm trying to think, violet lemonade and mixed together to make this color, and I added just a little bit of brown color to it, a bronze color, and I am painting these in. I had to go over it 2 or 3 times, but that's okay. We can go over it 2 or 3 times. I don't mind at all. And we finally get it to where it matches the stripes in the flag and the rose petals. So then I start adding the blue up top, just kind of bringing all the colors in. I took this and added some black and some different light colors, and just worked it into the paper. You guys will see. I'm just going to let you guys go ahead and watch this for a minute. These things are so fun to do, you guys. So fun to do. And I love making these little things. I just try to mimic what's in the paper and make it all work together. And as you guys can see, I've added all of my colors and stuff, and you can't tell where the rice paper ends and my paint begins. And I love that part of it because you can just make the rice paper extend as far as you want. I think this turned out so pretty. I hope you guys really enjoyed this as much as I did. I'm using the color bronze, which is black, gold, rose gold, or copper, all mixed together, and it makes this beautiful bronze. And then I flicked it with some of the taupe color paint just to add a few little dots, or whatever you want to call them, in the paper, because it already had that on it. So I was just adding more. But you guys, look how pretty this is. And y'all, that rice paper doesn't reach across that tray at all. But we made it look like it did. And I know you guys can each do the same exact thing. We're using, the gold that I'm using is... the gold is Liquid Leaf. You guys, you can get it at the Hobby Lobby. Anyway, there's your finished tray. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you don't follow Rekindle Blessings, give us a follow. And guys, thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.